So we just got done going live on Fox Business, The Bottom Line. They asked me to go on their show after seeing a TikTok video that went viral. And I thought it was the best platform to come in and represent this industry, to represent you guys, the technicians out there who are making this happen, the technicians who are out there pushing the envelope with repairs every day, whether or not it's hail damage or wholesale, or whether or not it's smash repairs, whatever it is. I'm thankful for the opportunity to represent you guys on such a national level. It's the most humbling opportunities that I could be asked to do. So thank you guys. I truly appreciate it. Keep smashing those repairs in a good way. Keep pushing the envelope in what we're doing. Keep pushing this industry further. Keep bringing awareness to people that PDR exists, that PDR is, in most cases, a much, much better option than a conventional repair. So here's the video. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. And remember, support your local dent slayer.
Electric vehicle owners are reeling after receiving exorbitant repair bills from body shops, some upwards of $40,000.
And it's not a cracked engine block or a blown transmission racking up the five-figure estimates. It's small, everyday dents in the bumpers.
Here to explain why these repair costs so much and how to maybe avoid paying for them, repair specialist Matt Boyett. Matt, great to see you. First, explain why just a simple like fender bender is going to set you back potentially thousands of bucks on an EV.
Well, thank you for having me.
Hey.
First of all, the way that these cars are made nowadays, they're so intricately, the panels overlap. There's lots of parts that if you can't just change out one part, you have to change out this part that adjoins to it and the next part. A lot of times the parts are one-time use. You know, it's not just a reusable item you could take off and put back on. They're disposable parts. We kind of live in a disposable society now where things are not made to be repaired. Microwaves, TVs, washer, dryers, you chunk it out, you get a new one. You don't fix it. We call ourselves one of the last craftsmen of the day. We actually take these panels that you see right here and we reform it, we reshape it back to its original pre-damage condition. We're saving the paint, we're saving replacing, we're saving having it put in a landfill, we're saving the customer time, we're saving them from a high stain on their Carfax. And so we're a superior option in a lot of cases to a traditional body shop.
Yeah, Matt, I'm hearing about this all the time with EVs. This is actually the first I've heard of body work, but anytime you get near the battery, you get in a situation where the decision might be you got to junk the whole thing because you can't repair it. Insurance companies are raising a stink about it. How much have you encountered this, Matt?
It happens quite a bit. There's another component to that is that you can't just buy these parts. So like Rivian, like Tesla, you can't just walk to a parts counter like you can at a Chevrolet dealership and buy a part. You have to go to either a certified repair center or you have to email Tesla in order to get something. And those are only really available to certified repair centers. And that makes it really hard for just a normal body shop to repair it. Wow. So what we've done is we've got really creative with our repair process, and with the tools that we make and with the training and the technology, we're able to repair some, as you can see, significantly damaged body panels and save customers thousands and thousands of dollars and time to have that repaired in a Rivian certified repair center would take at least a month by time you got it in, the whole process. I repaired that vehicle in 3 days on top of running a business and being a father and everything that's involved with that. So, we could do this in a fraction of the time for a fraction of the cost. There's a network of technicians just like me around the country, and we share ideas, we share techniques, and we're always trying to push this industry further and push our repairs further. And it's always changing. The vehicles change every day, and we have to change with it. And it's been an interesting ride seeing these vehicles come on the market and trying to figure out how to repair them.
The Dent Slayer, Matt Boyett. Thank you so much for being here. Matt, the first thing my father would ask me when I would move to a new town or a new city throughout my life, the first thing was, Have you met a good mechanic yet?
Yes.
Have you befriended a good mechanic yet? And so I knew that was my first job. So Dent Slayer, Matt Boyette, please come back. Rock it, Matt. Thank you.
Love it.
We would love to have you. We'd love to be back. Thank you for having me.
The Dent Slayer.